Did you start?
I started.
Doesn't smell bad at all. It's weird.
It's lumpy.
This is white fungus bird's nest drink. This is the dried spit and vomit of the cave swallow from China. And I'm going to attempt to drink this entire glass of this product. It smells like just a little bit sweet. It kind of tastes a little bit sweet, and the texture is just kind of gelatinous. It's not really unappealing at all, other than knowing what it is. I'm not doing myself any favors by trying to chew up the little bits, by the way. I think I have to just swallow them. The problem with that approach is the big bits kind of get stuck in your throat a little bit more than you'd like. I don't know why it occurred to somebody that this is something that you should put into your body, but let's finish it off.
Do I get to try it?
Sure. Here, you can have a point of view shot of what it's like to drink it.
Okay.
We should get a shot out of the actual contents of that. Like down inside.
It actually doesn't taste bad. It tastes good. It just, if you don't think about what it is, it's good. If you can think of it like one of those tapioca drinks with the bubble tea crap.
The last word you said is a good way to describe it.
Crap.
It's
Yeah.
very good.
No, it's like it's kind of like crap. It's really sweet crap.
Well, this product has been looking at me every time we go to this particular market and look at their beverages, and I've been dying to know, and now I know. Here we go.
This product. Okay.
There's the last of it. Ah, all gone.